Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to our channel Bucky's Touch, where we share all our DIYs, and I am Bucky. As you can see, I am cleaning our new beeswax extractor. It's a solar beeswax extractor. I am very grateful to God for this solar beeswax extractor. I used to render my beeswax on the stove and it wasn't easy. I used to have to render it twice in order for it to look pretty. I was super excited when I got my first batch, but we realized that this space here where the melted wax is supposed to pass and go into the bread pan, the holes are a little too big, so we put in a mesh with smaller holes so that at least we can get melted beeswax with no impurities. I hope that could be possible without impurities, but I know some little thing will creep in there. But yeah, it will be a lot prettier with this smaller mesh. So it's now time for us to add the cones to our extractor, and we try as much as possible to keep it away from the outlet with the mesh where the melted wax is supposed to pass, just like we are showing you in the video. Yeah, so we try to spread it around, and you don't put too much. I don't know, that's how we're doing it. People do things differently. Yeah, so I am so grateful for this solar extractor. I mean, the days of standing by the stove are long gone, and this doesn't require much effort. So then we put our bread pan. I saw that somebody advised me to be using a bread pan. I don't know what other people use. And this is a cover of an old solar oven. And what we did is we put 2 nails on each side just to secure it so that if it's a windy day, it's not blown away. Yeah, so it's well secured. Let me just show you around. We painted it black and it's sort of slanting so that the beeswax can go down and pass through that little passage and down into the pan. So we're done for the day and looking forward to the following day. And look at what we found. Oh my God. You see, we're still seeing some wrong. There was little bits of honey in it. Yeah, there was little bits of honey in it. So that's what we're draining out there. Look at how pretty. That's a beautiful yellow color. So now it's time to take it out from the pan. I understand it comes out a lot easier when you add a little bit of water in the bread pan. Yeah, there you go. These are the different sets that we have extracted already. Different colors, but beautiful. So thank you so much, guys, for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for subscribing, and please subscribe, hit that notification bell for more videos, like and share. Bye.